Hello, dear explorers! Welcome again to Train Your Brain. This is a place where we explore, discover, and learn together in a fun, engaging, and easy to understand way. Endless curiosity. Each topic hides something special, so stay with us and uncover the world of knowledge. In this first season, I have prepared over 200 incredibly interesting videos covering various topics about our bodies, history, natural disasters, space exploration, animals, and much, much more. These videos are made to inspire both young and old explorers alike. And now it's time to start. Today I have something really special for you. Are you ready? Let's dive into the first topic. Sun Secrets – Exploring the Solar Eclipse. Did you know, sometimes the moon moves between the sun and the earth, creating a special event called a solar eclipse? Let's learn more about this incredible phenomenon. During a solar eclipse, the moon covers the sun, casting a shadow on the earth. This makes it look like the sun is disappearing, leaving behind a dark circle in the sky. Solar eclipses are like amazing shows in the daytime sky. They don't happen every month, but when they do, they are worth watching. You can see the sun turn into a crescent shape as the moon moves in front of it. It's important to remember never to look directly at the sun during a solar eclipse without special glasses or filters. Looking at the sun without protection can hurt your eyes. Scientists study solar eclipses to learn more about the sun and how it affects our planet. They can also help us understand more about space and our place in the universe. So, the next time you hear about a solar eclipse happening, be sure to watch safely and enjoy the wonder of this amazing celestial event. It's like a special dance between the sun, the moon, and the earth. I hope you enjoyed this part. Let me know in the comments if it was already familiar to you. Now let's explore something new. In the next video, you will find even more fascinating facts, so stay with us. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Moon Magic – Exploring the Lunar Eclipse. Did you know? Sometimes, when the moon moves behind the Earth, it can create a magical event called a lunar eclipse. Let's learn more about this fascinating phenomenon. During a lunar eclipse, the Earth moves between the sun and the moon, casting a shadow on the moon's surface. This shadow makes the moon appear darker and sometimes even changes its color to a reddish hue. This is why it's sometimes called a blood moon. Lunar eclipses are like special shows in the night sky. They don't happen every month, but when they do, they are worth staying up late to see. You can watch as the moon slowly disappears and then reappears, all while the Earth's shadow passes over it. Scientists study lunar eclipses to learn more about our solar system and how it works. They can also help us understand more about the moon itself and its relationship with the Earth and Sun. So, the next time you hear about a lunar eclipse happening, be sure to take a moment to look up at the sky and marvel at the wonder of this amazing celestial event. It's like magic happening right before your eyes. Isn't it amazing how much we can learn about the world around us? But we are not done yet. Up next is another exciting topic. You may already know about it, or it might be completely new to you. Let's find out. Day and night. The bright and dark of Earth dance. Have you ever wondered why it gets dark at night and bright during the day? It's because of something amazing called day and night. Our planet Earth is always spinning around like a top. When the part of Earth where you live faces the sun, it's daytime. The sun gives us light and warmth. But when Earth turns away from the sun, it's nighttime. That's when it gets dark outside and we can see the stars shining in the sky. Day and night happen because of Earth's rotation. It takes about 24 hours for Earth to make one full spin. That's why we have a day and night every day. Different animals like different times. Some animals, like owls, love the night because they can see in the dark. Others, like birds, enjoy the day and flying in the sunlight. Even though day and night might seem ordinary, they are actually pretty extraordinary. They help us understand how our planet moves and why we have different times of day. So, next time you see the sun rise or the stars twinkle, remember the wonderful dance of day and night happening all around us. And that's all for today. I hope you had fun and learned something new. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel. Train Your Brain is a channel where you will find new, exciting and educational content. Let's make learning fun. Stay curious, keep exploring and see you in the next video. Your ideas are always welcome, so leave a comment and let me know what topics you would like to see next. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!